Hello everyone, I welcome you all to another uh, lecture of our LinkedList, and this is going to be the last theory lecture of your LinkedList, and from the next videos we are going to look at interview problems. Alright, so without any delay, let's start with the video. So in this video we are going to learn about deletion in a circular linked list. Alright, so let's talk about what is a circular linked list. So if these are the nodes, then the relation between them is going to be like this, and the last element is going to point towards the first element, thus making a circle. And if I delete this element, our output should look like this. Okay. So if you recall that how you delete the element here is that you simply remove this element and uh, have your head pointing toward here, right? But here you cannot do the same thing because this 40 is also pointing towards your 10, right? So let's see. What you can do here is, yeah, suppose this is 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. If I, you know, um, copy this element here, and then if I delete this element, right? And this is also pretty good here. So this output, alright, yeah. So this thing and this thing are same, right? Okay, so let's do and code this thing. Okay, I write cout before deletion. I'm going to have display head. Now head is going to be delete the head cout after deletion. I'm simply going to have display head. Alright, now we just have to write our delete function. Let's write it as delete b. Alright, now let's see. Suppose if there's no element, first we'll deal with the edge cases. So if there is no element, we're simply going to return null. And if there is only one element, which is already pointing towards itself, we are simply going to delete head, and we're simply going to return null. Alright, and if these two are not the case, then what we're going to do is we are going to shift heads data as head next data. Okay, and we are going to have a node temp. We're going to contain head next. We're going to have heads next as heads next, and we are going to delete temp, and we're going to return head. So this is the code which we saw. Alright, let's try and run this thing. Let's see if it works. There's a problem here, I guess. Let's see. I am not getting any problem somehow. Okay, yeah. No, wait. We got our head also here as read B and then the C out part. What is it that we are getting wrong here? If head is equal to null, we are just simply writing null, and if it's next is equal to head, okay, my bad. Now let's try and run this thing. Yeah. See, before deletion, our output was, our linked list was this, and after deletion, our linked list is this. Okay. This was the required one. Let's have one thing. Okay, we have head is equal to delete E. Alright. We are going to look at if we delete in the end. Alright. Suppose this is the linked list. Okay. And if you have to delete this element, we'll get this output. Alright. Cool. So can you think like how to do this thing basically? Okay, let me tell you. What you're going to do is you're going to have address of this element and you need to have address of this element. What will happen, we'll simply change its node direction from 40 to 10 and we'll just simply delete 40. Okay, so let's try and run this, write this code. So it's node star delete E node star head. Okay. Now suppose if head is equal to null, simply return null. Okay. And let's say if head next is equal to head, you will simply do delete head and you simply return null here. Alright. And now we are going to have a node curve which is going to point toward head and we'll okay, we have this thing node star curve. We also require a previous, we also require a temp which is going to store the head. You see what we are going to do here. So I'm saying while curve next is not equal to head, we're going to do two things. We're going to change previous to curve. Alright. We're going to change curve from curve to curve next. Alright. So, give me a minute. Let me clear out a bit. Okay. Yeah. So, after our while loop, Curve is going to point over here and Priv is going to point through here. Now, okay, this is going to Priv, yeah. So we did the while part. Now, we'll simply have Priv next as curve next. I want to have head as Priv next. Alright, and we are going to delete curve and simply return head. Alright, let's try and run this code, see if it works. See, before deletion this was the output, before this was the linked list, and after deletion this is the linked list. So this is the required thing. Alright, so I hope you understood deletion in the linked list, and as I already mentioned before, this is the last theory lecture, and from the next video we're going to look at some of the interview problems. So thank you for watching this video. Happy learning. See you later.